Hello, children and parents. This is Coach John here from Learning Out the Box, and thank you so much for watching this video series on PSLE trends. Okay, so how this works is that, as you can see, I have created about 10 videos on the types of questions that will probably come out for PSLE because of the past questions that I have seen in the past PSLE papers. So you can see that I've done about 8 pages of slides here, and they are all divided into different videos. Okay, so I've been thinking, what is the best way to present this PSLE trend for your child if your child is watching it, and how best it can work for you if you're watching it and you are going to teach your child. Okay, so at first I was thinking, oh, maybe I can just list out the types of questions that have come out over the years. And for example, what I saw is that there are questions like on same difference, there are questions on same total, there are questions on percentages, there are questions on angles, there are questions on fraction manipulation, as well as many others. Yeah. But I'm thinking, what if I've told you that without giving you the steps to solve? Yeah, so this is what I think will work for you right now. Eventually, maybe I can add a few more stuff, but at this point in time, I feel that this works for you without overwhelming you. So for example, right here, I have shared that this is the kind of questions that have appeared over the years. In fact, if you have seen the past PSLE papers, every year you will be able to see one question testing you on equal concepts. It doesn't matter, is it a short question or a long question, but there is this keyword equal in it. Yeah. So how do you make use of the videos? So when I say that, when you go to the video on equal concept, so that also tells you that it's a PSLE training question. Yeah. So instead of telling you what you know, because you can actually read them off from your PSLE booklet, which your child will have gotten it from school, or you will have gotten it for your child from Popular. Then you can quickly jump to this video and learn how to first recognize that that question is actually an equal concept question. And I think what adds value to you is, I feel that you also want to know how to solve it to help your child to secure as many marks as possible, isn't it? So I have also shared with you my method and methods that I've taught many children, and they told me that it's way easier than what they have been taught elsewhere. So for example, for equal concept, the method is to draw two equal bars, and I also show you the variation of equal concepts or questions with equal keyword inside. Okay, so maybe I can give you another example, like a ratio, and you will find out that same difference, same total, repeated identities kind of questions are quite common in PSLE as well. And I actually show you how to learn them, how to memorize them, how to apply them, and how to solve them with flow and ease. And the other one that you want to take note will be grouping questions. Grouping questions is also very common. And in fact, every year you're bound to see one. And take note that you have to know the 3-step technique. And there will always be angle questions, probably 1, 2, or 3, and you need to know how to tackle them. Yeah. So by showing you the video that says angle or angles, that already tell you that angle questions are PSLE training questions. Make sense? Okay. So moving on, you have percentage questions as well, which is also another very popular PSLE question. And of course, how can we forget the numbers? And it can appear right from question 1 in booklet 1A. Okay, so I hope that all these videos will help you to have an idea on how to tackle the common questions and on top of whatever revision you have done for your child or with your child. And all the best, and I'll see you around.